So, there's something missing. This goes in there. And you see where it broke right there and there? If that happens and there's a spring pushing out, you cannot get out of this rig. Only that goes in there like that, and it's a striker. So we were stuck. So I took it out, and now we still can lock it using the deadbolt, so we're okay. And I'll order up a new one. Apparently, this is a real common problem. We had it happen on the in California, and it was terrible. we had to crawl out through that window over there by where you see Linda. Fortunately, we didn't have it locked. We had a ladder, and she had to go. I was in the hospital, and yeah, you know, 750 bucks later, I had it fixed. Now I figured out how to take the thing and take this part right here and extract it.